Looking for the best plasma cutter that delivers clean cuts, reliable power, and professional performance without wasting your money? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the best plasma cutters available right now, carefully selected based on cutting performance, build quality, portability, advanced features like pilot arc technology, and overall value for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're working in a garage, fabrication shop, automotive repair setup, or DIY metal projects, choosing the right plasma cutter can completely change your workflow and efficiency. Quick heads up, we've placed all product links in the description box below, so if you want to check current prices, discounts, or full technical details, feel free to click those links anytime during the video. Make sure you stay until number 1 because our top pick offers a powerful balance of smart technology, cutting precision, and user-friendly features that stand out in today's market. Let's begin the countdown. Starting our countdown at number 5, the LOTOS Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Metal Cutter Machine Dual Voltage 16mm Clean Cut. It is a well-known choice among DIY users and professionals looking for dependable performance without stepping into high-end pricing territory. One of its biggest advantages is the non-touch pilot arc technology, which allows cutting through painted, rusty, or rough surfaces without requiring direct contact, reducing wear on consumables while improving efficiency. The dual voltage capability makes it highly flexible, allowing operation on both 110V and 220V power sources, which is ideal for users who switch between home garage setups and professional environments. With the ability to deliver clean cuts up to around 16mm, this machine handles a wide range of metal types including stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, and more. Compact design adds portability, while the internal inverter technology helps maintain stable arc performance and energy efficiency. Beginners appreciate its straightforward setup, while experienced users value the reliable cutting consistency. It's especially suitable for automotive repairs, light fabrication, maintenance work, and general metal cutting projects. Overall, the LOTOS Plasma Cutter offers a strong combination of affordability, versatility, and performance, making it a solid entry point into pilot arc plasma cutting technology. For more detailed specifications, updated pricing, and availability, check the link provided in the description box below. Coming in at number 4, the Reboot Plasma Cutter Dual Voltage Half-Inch Clean Cut IGBT Inverter Portable Metal Cutting Machine. This machine stands out as a portable and powerful option designed for users who want efficient cutting performance in a lightweight, travel-friendly machine. Built around IGBT inverter technology, this cutter provides stable output while improving energy efficiency and overall reliability. One of the most appealing aspects is its dual voltage support, allowing users to operate the unit in different environments without complicated electrical adjustments. Capable of delivering clean cuts up to half an inch, it's suitable for a wide variety of metalworking tasks, including fabrication, repair jobs, DIY builds, and workshop applications. The compact size makes it easy to transport between job sites, which is especially beneficial for contractors or mobile technicians. Another key advantage is its user-friendly control layout, making it accessible even for beginners who are new to plasma cutting. Safety features and thermal protection systems help prevent overheating, ensuring consistent performance during longer sessions. Despite its portability, the machine doesn't sacrifice power, offering smooth cutting results across different metal types. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet capable plasma cutter that balances performance and convenience, this model is definitely worth considering. For full specifications, pricing updates, and customer feedback, check the product link in the description box below. At number 3, we have YESWELDER Plasma Cutter 65-amp non-high-frequency non-touch pilot arc dual voltage digital display. The YESWELDER Plasma Cutter brings advanced features typically found in higher-priced models into a more accessible package. One of its standout advantages is the non-high-frequency start combined with non-touch pilot arc technology, which reduces electronic interference, making it ideal for workshops where sensitive equipment may be present. The 65-amp output provides strong cutting power capable of handling thicker metals with cleaner edges, helping users achieve more precise results. A digital display adds a modern touch, allowing easier adjustment and monitoring of cutting parameters for consistent performance. Dual voltage compatibility enhances flexibility, enabling seamless switching between different power sources. Another benefit is its smooth arc stability, which helps minimize slag and reduces post-cut cleanup time. This plasma cutter is well suited for fabricators, hobbyists, automotive enthusiasts, and small business operators looking for reliable performance without moving into industrial-level pricing. The overall build feels solid, and the interface design supports both beginners and experienced users. With improved efficiency and modern technology integration, the YESWELDER model offers a great balance between professional features and affordability. If you want to explore full specifications, real-world reviews, and current pricing, make sure to check the link provided in the description box below. Taking the number 2 position, we have bestarc Plasma Cutter Pilot Arc Large LED Display Dual Voltage Post Flow Mesh 0.5-inch Clean Cut. The bestarc Plasma Cutter delivers impressive performance with a focus on modern usability and cutting precision. One of the first things users notice is the large LED display, which provides clear visibility of settings and helps simplify adjustments during operation. The Pilot Arc feature improves cutting efficiency, especially when working with rusty or coated metals, allowing smoother starts and reduced consumable wear. Dual voltage compatibility ensures versatility across different environments, making it suitable for home garages, workshops, and professional setups alike. Capable of delivering clean cuts up to 1/2 inch, this cutter handles a wide range of applications including fabrication, maintenance, and metal art projects. Post-flow cooling system helps extend consumable life and protects internal components, contributing to long-term reliability. Another advantage is the beginner-friendly interface, which reduces the learning curve for users new to plasma cutting while still offering enough control for experienced operators. Overall, the bestarc Plasma Cutter stands out as a powerful and well-rounded option combining modern features, ease of use, and strong cutting performance. For detailed specs, updated prices, and availability, check the link provided in the description box below. And finally, at number 1, the top-rated plasma cutter is ARCCAPTI and iControl Cut 55 Pro Plasma Cutter Non-Touch Pilot Arc Large LED Display. The ARCCAPTAI and iControl Cut 55 Pro Plasma Cutter takes the top spot thanks to its advanced features, smart technology integration, and excellent cutting performance. Designed for both serious DIY users and professionals, this model combines non-touch pilot arc functionality with intelligent control systems that help optimize cutting efficiency. The large LED display provides clear real-time feedback, allowing users to fine-tune settings quickly and maintain precision throughout the cutting process. Dual voltage compatibility adds flexibility, while inverter technology ensures stable arc performance and improved energy efficiency. One of its strongest advantages is the balance between power and ease of use, making it suitable for users upgrading from entry-level machines as well as those seeking reliable professional performance. The build quality feels durable, and the overall design prioritizes safety, efficiency, and user convenience. Smooth cutting results across multiple metal types make it versatile for fabrication, automotive work, maintenance projects, and workshop tasks. With its combination of modern features and dependable performance, the ARCCAPTAIN Cut 55 Pro stands out as a top-tier option in this category. For more detailed specifications, pricing updates, and purchase information, check the link provided in the description box below. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.